This video is brought to you by Monster Insights. In this video, Syed and I are going to cover the 10 proven ways to make money with your WordPress website and the tools to help you succeed. We asked for your feedback and many of you said yes, you'd want to see something like this, so we wanted to put it together for you. Now, there are way more than just 10 items. In fact, we have 30 proven ways to make money, but these are like the building blocks that you really want to master these 10 first. And then out of the 10, I would actually pick one to focus on first so that you can really put in the time, effort to build that up and master it before you move on to the next one. Now, notice I said it will take time and effort to get this going. And that's to say that none of these are get rich quick schemes. And that should actually be a good thing for you to hear because you know that you can put in the work to do it. And there are many other people who will just let it fall by the wayside because they're looking for that silver bullet, that quick fix. So your competition should be lowered. So if you're ready to learn about them, then let's dive in.
Number one is affiliate marketing. It is one of the most proven ways to make money online with your blog or website. Affiliate marketing is basically when you recommend a product or service to your audience using a special tracking link. And then when somebody purchases using your link, you will get a referral commission. A good way to think about affiliate marketing in real life is maybe when you help a friend open a bank account or you help them buy a car, you usually get a gift card or some sort of bonus in exchange. So similar to that, online, many of the companies and services offer an affiliate program, and there's one just about in every niche. You can, join it on Amazon. Like Amazon has a big affiliate program. Commission Junction is a big network. ShareSale is a big network. You can go there and find products in just about every industry and every use case. With WordPress, one of the tools I highly recommend using in combination with all these programs is Pretty Links. And what Pretty Links lets you do is allows you to first manage all of your affiliate links on your website in a more organized way. It makes your links branded, so they're short and you can use them in YouTube videos and podcasts and Instagram. And then really the smart feature about Pretty Links is that it can automatically replace keywords in your older blog posts with affiliate links, so you actually make the maximum earnings. So number one is affiliate marketing.
Number two is online ads, and building on with affiliate marketing. If you want to, you could put ads on your website to earn a commission. And all this means is somebody is selling a product or a service and they buy the ads and you put those ads on your site, you get a cut of that commission. And the easiest way to do that is by installing Goole Adsense. Goole Adsense makes it super easy for you. You simply insert a script on your site. You don't even have to know how to code. And the best part about it is you control the type of ads, the ad placement if you want, and as well as what type of ads are on your site and things like that. You could also, once you're getting started, go to Goole Adsense website to see how much you could possibly start making in your category. They have a little calculator and it'll tell you based on how much traffic you have and what your website or what your blog is about, how much you might be able to earn. Number two is doing online ads for your website.
Number three is selling ads directly. So while Goole AdSense is really easy to set up, the amount of money you earn with it is limited because number one, Google takes a cut for finding the advertiser. So they're an intermediary. So the amount of money you're getting is lower. Also, Google pays you based on the number of clicks you're getting. So it's really optimized for really, really large traffic websites. If you have a small audience that is very, very targeted and very focused, you're actually better off selling ads directly on your website using a WordPress plugin like AdSanity. That lets you keep 100% of the commission to yourself. You can negotiate the price with the advertiser and even come up with long-term agreements so you're not relying on month-to-month checks from Google.
Number four is creating a membership site. If you have any kind of information you want to share, if you have a group of people who want to learn, then you can create a membership site. This is perfect for anything like a fitness. If you're learning something, teaching something, creating a membership site on your website and charging fees for maybe different tiers or different groups will help you do that. And the best way to do that is by using a plugin called MemberPress. This lets you do the restricted access to any of the content that you're sharing, restricted access to the groups, as well as different tiers, so you can get as robust as you want for your membership site.
Number 5 is selling an ebook. Ebooks are a very popular way to monetize an audience online. And because it's a digital product, the cost to create an ebook is relatively low. If you have Microsoft Word or Pages on your Mac, all you have to do is write content in there and save it as a PDF, and you have yourself an ebook. What makes it special is that you can just tie it with a plugin like Easy Digital Downloads for WordPress, and it lets you sell your ebook on your website, charge a one-time fee, and then that's pretty much it. Selling ebooks is one of the easiest way to make money online. Yeah.
And number 6 is to sell an online course. So you take that ebook that you just created and you get a little bit more robust. You add video, you add content, you add checklists. With selling an online course, you can break it down into lessons and topics. And with a plugin like LearnSash, it's the learning management system plugin that you can add to your WordPress website, and they handle all of that for you. With LearnSash, you can create the content, the courses, and it even adds features where people can't access the next course unless they complete the previous one. You can also do quizzes for your online course as well. So selling online courses is a great feature to add to get money for your website.
Number 7 is creating a business directory. Now, you might be thinking when you say web directories, that's like old school, right? That's like pre-Google. Well, generic web directories are no longer necessary, right? But local or industry-specific directories can be extremely useful. So when you think about directories, take a look at like Yelp, right? Yelp or TripAdvisor, they're all directories. All what they do is they gather local businesses, allow users to leave reviews there, and you can even charge the business owners for placements and premium placements. So creating a web directory on your website, especially if you have a very targeted audience, is one of the easiest ways to make money online on the website.
Number 8 is starting an online store. This is one of the oldest things to do, and it's one of the easiest things to do when making money on your WordPress website. You can sell a physical product. It might be a product that you own and you want to sell online. You can even do wholesale with someone else and partner with them and then sell it retail on your site. And to do that easily, you can install a plugin called WooCommerce. And WooCommerce is the best e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It simply does everything you possibly could need for your online store.
Number 9 is offering freelance services. You are already good at what you do. All you have to do is you can start earning income by offering that skill or expertise to other companies who may need it. Freelancing is by far the most popular way to make money online. It doesn't even require a blog or a website, but if you do have one, it helps you get more clients. The easiest way, if you have an audience, you can just start offering your services to your audience. So for example, I am really good at marketing, so I can offer marketing consulting to our audience, and it's an easy way to make money. The way to start freelancing is just sign up for FreshBooks or another invoicing software, and create a services page on your website, and that's it. People will start booking you. Or you can also use or sign up for a platform like Clarity.fm. It's Clarity.fm. And you create your profile there. People will always book calls to talk to you and learn from you.
Number 10 is to start a consulting business. So take all the freelancing information that you're sharing and create a strategy that your clients can take and implement themselves. It's the easiest to do. Again, you don't have to have a whole blog, but it helps if you have a site, and adding something like a form on your website to accept quotes or leads from people. And we recommend using WP forms that you can add to your website. It even integrates with payment systems so you can get paid before you even start implementing these strategies for your clients. Once you start building up your wealth, one of the best ways to track and see how your site is doing is by installing Monster Insights. With Monster Insights, you can track your affiliate promotions. You can also track your publishers to see who's sending you a lot of traffic, or who are you sending a lot of traffic to, so you can build up a partnership or even affiliate program with those people that you're sending a lot of traffic to. To get started, just head over to monsterinsights.com and use promo code WPB VIP to get the best deal on Monster Insights. So seeing that list of 10 proven ways to make money on your WordPress website, let us know in the comments below which one program or which one type or way are you going to use and get started today. For me, affiliate marketing is my favorite one to start with, that once I've built that up, then I can move on to a few of the others. So let us know in the comments below, which is your favorite one and which one will you get started using today? And thanks for watching.